Watched thousands of law of attraction videos and nothing changed. Is that you? Don't worry. We have found a way to fix things. Dedicate a few minutes on this video and we'll show you the actual problem, solution, steps and a formula to make the law work in your favor. So if you see carefully, you will know something interesting. It's not in the endless videos you have watched on the law of attraction. It's not even in 1 or 2 practices to attract your goals. That's temporary satisfaction and fine. The secret sauce is you. No philosophies. Let us explain. We often think law of attraction is something we do and believe in the universe to give us what we want. Right? It makes us depend on an external source for a change. So, if we don't get the thing, we feel disappointed and uninterested. The problem is, law of attraction is not the source of magic. This law is just a part of the source. Attraction is just a result of something bigger. It's your vibration. That's the source of all change. Law of vibration is your source. Now, you understand the depth of the saying. You don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. So the solution goes something like this. You don't depend on any external force to make the change. Your limitless spirit, universe, or whatever you call it, is the true secret to success, and it's not separate from you. As you may know, you can imagine almost anything you want, and using that imagination comes feelings of oneness with your vision. Now this strong feeling is the vibrational essence of what you want. You need this vibration essence to make your choices according to your vision. And that will create a reflection of that vibration in the form of results. This is the mechanism you need to know. Stop believing and waiting for something else to make the change for you. It's like giving others the power to do something and you feeling powerless. Instead, calmly allow your vision to come to your imagination without any force, having the feeling of it. And from this vibrational feeling, make your next move. That's when you will realize the power was already inside of you. Your identity shifts from victim to creator. Hit like if you're enjoying the content and show your love. Note, there is no desperation if results don't come immediately. Nothing big changes overnight. So it's the game of consistency, momentum, and process improvement. Simply put, reclaim your power, choose your vibration, and make choices from that vibration. The rest is not your headache. Let your world reflect who you are. Leave it to the world. Live and enjoy the vibration and take action whenever needed. You will get what we mean soon. So here are the steps to make the law of vibration work for you. Step 1. Be one with your goal with a non-forcing imagination. Step 2. Have the feeling of it naturally. Step 3. From this feeling, do what inspires you. And step 4. Leave the rest away. It's not your task. Let the world reflect. Now here is a formula to make the law of vibration and attraction work for you. Connect with feeling plus act from the feeling equals attract results. I'll repeat. Connect with feeling plus act from the feeling equals attract results. To summarize, law of attraction is just a part. Law of vibration is the whole you need to focus on. You are free to choose any vibration you want with your thoughts and imaginations. So connect with the feelings of your vision without forcing and act from that state. This attitude shifts you from victim to creator. Leave the rest to the world to reflect your vibration. That's it. Check iCard for life-changing content. Share with your loved ones and let life shine bright. Thank you.